The 200 megapixel Samsung monster camera phone is finally here. What's up guys, we are back with the latest news, and behold, the world's first phone with a 200 megapixel Samsung phone is here. We have the live look at the upcoming Motorola Frontier. This phone is indeed rocking Samsung's craziest creation, which is the 200 megapixel ISO HP1 sensor. You can tell by that camera bump that it's a thick boy with a very big sensor indeed. It's quite opposite to what Samsung did on their own flagship, which is the S23 Ultra, with almost no bump at all. They even got rid of the pattern, which is why I just love the design of the camera on the S23 Ultra. But of course, this is a different beast. It's got the optical image stabilization, and interestingly, we have f2.2 aperture. We still don't know how much improvement we'll see in terms of clarity or sharpness versus a 100 megapixel sensor. Like, even Samsung didn't explain that. There's a strong possibility that this could turn out to be a marketing gimmick. Still, this is the highest megapixel on a phone right now, so I'm still very interested to see the actual real life performance. Now, it's also got two impressive cameras. We have a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel zoom lens. There's no periscope zoom camera setup on this thing, so the S23 Ultra still remains to be the most craziest zoom phone right now. In terms of the other specs, it's actually expected to be the first phone to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which is going to be the better version of the original 8 Gen 1 that we see on the S22 series. It's also coming with the crazy 125 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Like, this thing is possibly the most ultra phone of the year. So yeah, whether it turns out to be a gimmick or not, we'll see. But 200 megapixels on a phone, it's definitely exciting. Also in the news, Xiaomi has been caught doing the same stuff as Samsung. Yes, according to the tweet from the Geekbench co-founder, Xiaomi Mi 11 throttles and slows down the CPU when you launch games like Genshin Impact, but when you launch benchmark applications like Geekbench 5, the performance goes back to the normal state. Further investigation is currently going on, and if this is actually true, then they could get banned just like Samsung. Now, last but certainly not the least, Samsung has actually removed the Z letter from their Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 branding. Yes, this is a very recent change that Samsung has done in some Baltic countries. Honestly, I had no idea why they did that, but SamMobile.com has an interesting explanation. It seems like Samsung is avoiding the symbol Z because it is synonymous with the Russian military. This is probably why they have removed this name in some countries, because in other regions it's still called as the Galaxy Z Fold 3 / Z Flip 3. To be honest, I actually like the Galaxy Fold 3 and Galaxy Flip 3 names better without the letter Z, so we still have yet to see any official announcement from Samsung. Maybe they might actually do this everywhere, but right now we have to wait for some official word. So there we go, the world's first 200 megapixel phone is here. Live look, Motorola Frontier is coming. In the future, we'll see more smartphone with 200 megapixel camera sensor, including the S23 Ultra with the improved 200 megapixel sensor for 2023. Of course, that's a bit far away, so this is what we have right now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think it's just a gimmick, or do you think that it's actually going to be something that's going to bring something meaningful compared to the other flagships we have on the market? With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.